Madam Malu Lloyd, the Regional Tourism Officer. Okay, sa mga region, the Department of Tourism Region 1 presents this plaque of appreciation to the Honorable Governor Armando Agustin III, in giving recognition and appreciation for his consistent support and unparalleled contribution as a tourism industry partner of the Department on the successful staging of the third Region 1 Tourism Convention held in Alabama City, Pangasinan on September 29, 2016, signed by the lecturer Martin Asabal. Okay.
Likewise, we'd like to present a plaque of appreciation to the city government of Alaminos, represented by Honorable Arthur F. Celeste. Okay, to receive the plaque of appreciation, we have Mr. Solomon Cablan and Mr. Mike Sisu. Department of Tourism Regional presents this plaque of appreciation to Honorable Arthur F. Celeste, Mayor of the City Province of Pangasinan, in grateful recognition and appreciation of his consistent support and unparalleled contribution to the industry partner of the Department in the successful staging of the third Region 1 Tourism Convention held in Alabama City, Pangasinan on September 29, 2016. Signed, Martin S. Valera, Regional Attorney.
Di ba dito na kayo? Ay, nagpatay, natatarang mag-group na siya, di ba? Ay, hindi na po yan. Nakakasitindi yun. Parang kaya ng Jensen.
And of course, we'd like to present this plaque of recognition to our beloved DOD Director of Region 1, Director Martin S. Valera. So I would like to call on stage Malu, Sir Mike, and Sir Sol, to present this plaque of recognition to Director Martin S. Valera, Regional Director, Department of Tourism Region 1, for his outstanding leadership in undertaking the annual Regional Tourism Convention and for his dedicated commitment in pursuing significant programs and projects that help in the development of the tourism industry in Pangasinan. Given this 29th day of September 2016, during the third Regional Tourism Convention, in celebration of the Pangasinan Tourism Month in Alameda City, Pangasinan, signed Governor Armando Agustin III. Para sa ating pinaka-regional director ng Department of Tourism Region. Siyempre, susunod na po ang pinakahihintay na lahat. Yung pinakahihintay at pinakaabangan natin, presentation and awarding of the winners sa Region 1 Tourism Music and Video Contest. So other than the top 3 winners, our champion, second place and third place, we have our minor awards.
Ano rin dito? Kala ko butas oh. Ayun no. Ganun dumi. Andito oh. Ayun no.
Our first minor or special award for this Region 1 Tourism Music and Video Contest is the best in cinematography. And to disclose us the winner, I'd like to call Mr. Ricky Esguerra, the President of Travelers Association for Agencies in Region 1, and Director Martin Valera.
Di ba lang naririnig sa pakwan ngayon? Ha?
Sir Ricky Esguerra.
in cinematography. The name of the entry is Region 1, Ang Mahal Nating Tahanan by Ruth Geraldine Lisperos.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's now have the best in the song composition. Okay, to reveal us the winner. We have Mr. Ryan Song, Tourism Officer of Resort, and Mr. Alan Moore Gala, Tourism Officer of Longmore.
And the best in original song composition goes to Tana Liana. Performers Michael, composer Jonathan Geronimo.
Alright, congratulations. Sila po ang nanalo ng best in original song composition. And this time for our third place, may we call guest Malu Duaye, Mr. Mike Sisa, to read to us the winners.
Third place.
The UT Region 1 Song Music Video Making Contest. Third prize goes. Performers Lucas, Zaina Biliga Maldos.
To receive 40,000 pesos. Director Valera. Answer Mike Cesar to read the winner for the second prize and to receive 70,000 pesos.
Name of entry is Tara Aligana. The flight boy.
Alright, congratulations for our second place winner. Take home 70,000 pesos. Ayan, thank you so much. And this time to announce our grand prize winner, we have once again Director Valera and the president of the Region 1 Professional Tour Guides Association, Anna Hazel Portia Domingo. Umuwi na si Pamela.
The grand prize winner goes to Gerald Region 1 ang Makati Bulacan.
Congratulations. Geraldine Esperas of Red Highlands, winner to take home tonight 100,000 pesos. Grand winner is the Region 1 Music Video Contest. And thank you so much. Maraming salamat. And for our People's Choice Award, i-announce that natin because they couldn't come tonight. And the winner for the People's Choice Award is the video entitled Tara Na, Biyahe Na. Okay, congratulations po.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Yan, para sa mga ating pa, siyempre, nagandang iba mamigay ng gift certificates,
Mabilisan na lang po ito. Ito ang pinakamahirap sa lahat.
Okay, unahin natin ang gift certificate na NSCC. Okay, this is worth 2,000 pesos worth of snacks and meals at NSCC restaurant at Governor Reyes Street, Big City. Okay.
Okay, para makuha natin, sino kaya ang makakuha ng GC na ito? Ayan. So, bago muna kayo malis, mag-bring muna tayo. Para makakuha daw rin ito mga gift certificates. Okay, bring me. Pinaka-old ID ng tour guide. Accredited DO, yes, accredited DO ID. Asan? O, ID ng accredited tour guide.
Okay, bring me ng isang BOT accredited tour guide ID. Ayan, yung mga tour guides natin, accredited, na may dala ng ID nila.
Tignan natin. Expired na.
Okay, congratulations.
Ayan, ganyan lang kagaling. Oo. Next. Bring me. Ulang panyo, red handkerchief. Dali.
Sino ang may red handkerchief?
Sino may red handkerchief?
Red.
Sino ang ikaw sa red handkerchief? Yay! Eh, siya lang eh. Wala ko si dear. Okay, next. Bring me. Ayan. Bring me nail cover. Bring me a nail cover. Ayan. Saan ang nail cover? 1, 2. Sa room. Nail cover. Asan?
Okay, well, let's change the item. Bring me any color na G-Shock na relo.
G-Shock. G-Shock. Patingin. Ay, shock. O, ito natin. Okay. Bring me.
May dalawa pa tayo.
Meron pang dalawa. Mabigyan na natin lahat. Bring me. Engagement ring.
Sino may engagement ring?
Engagement ring.
Ayan, sisa.
Oh, yes, sir. Congratulations.
Okay,
Next.
last.
Bring me shades. Asan na shades?
Kailangan